Now from KTAB, meteorologist Haley Clausen with your Weather Authority forecast.
Cloudy and mild, not much rain here yet, but
not much
rain down
yet.
south. Yeah.
Absolutely, a lot down south, but we did have some showers really for the western big country earlier this morning, and now we're starting to get that second band of showers and thunderstorms coming through right now. So let's look at our max live radar. You can take a look at that. Notice it's traveling from the east to the west, and those counties there that are highlighted in green, those are flash flood watches that will be in effect until Thursday evening. That's because, yes, we have rain in the forecast right now starting to get fired up, but there is still more to come as we head through the rest of this evening and into Wednesday. And this is the culprit. This is the reason why Tropical Storm Bill has now made landfall right at just south of Port O'Connor. Port Lavaca on Matagorda Island has already made landfall, bringing some heavy rains to the Texas Gulf Coast. The heaviest rains are going to be on the eastern side of the storm, and that trend will continue as it continues to track up towards the northeast. Now, the hurricane hunters have been out there flying in what's called an alpha pattern, trying to recover data. So the wind speeds out there, about 67 miles per hour, are what those sustained wind speeds are at. Looks like they're headed back towards base in Biloxi, Mississippi, but this is the track that Tropical Storm Bill is currently on. Once it works its way a little bit more inland, it will lose its intensity, becoming more of a bit of a tropical depression and then just a low pressure system as it continues to track towards the north and then up towards the east. But notice it is going to be coming pretty close to those of us here in the big country, really more for the Dallas-Fort Worth area, but we are still going to be seeing a lot of rain because of that. Not as much rain as down towards the south. Notice this. This is about Wednesday morning. 3 inches of rain for Victoria, 3.5 for College Station as well as Waco. And then as we head a little bit farther into Thursday, those numbers just continue to rise. More than 6 inches of rain in the forecast for College Station. Here in Abilene, depicting about 1 inch. So anywhere between 1 and 2 inches is really what we're going to be looking at, but mainly for those eastern big country counties, those ones that are under a flash flood watch. So we're already starting to see those showers get fired up. Expect to hear some rumbles of thunder as we head into the later afternoon hours. Again, traveling from the east towards the west, about a 50% chance that you're actually going to be impacted by this, but we are starting to see that coverage increase a little bit as we head into the later afternoon hours. For this evening, some more isolated thunderstorms clearing overnight as far as rain is concerned, still left with a lot of cloudy conditions. But then on Wednesday, we actually get to see Bill show up on our radar, if you can believe that or not. By then, it's not going to be a tropical storm anymore, but still bringing lots of moisture to west central Texas. Again, mainly towards the east of us as he continues to track up towards the north and then off towards the east, bringing more rain to Oklahoma and then eventually into Arkansas. So today is going to be a cooler day thanks to all of the cloud cover. 83 degrees as our high here in Abilene, 69 for our overnight low. So staying fairly warm for this evening, but we are staying wet as well as we head into Wednesday. Today in the heartland, 82 degrees. Again, another day of rain. You've already seen it on the radar. It's raining. And those storms will continue into this evening as well. Same goes for Wednesday when it ups it to about a 70% chance that you'll see those storms and rain showers. So here's a look at our extended forecast. Notice those percentages staying with us through about Friday. By Friday, most of us are actually going to be staying dry. Similar conditions for Thursday as well, but we're leaving a 20% chance of rain in there. Temperatures will be gradually warming back up into the 90s by then, into the mid-90s by Sunday, which is absolutely fantastic. We get some rain, hopefully not too much to cause any flooding concerns here in the big country, but we get our rain and then we're drying out by the weekend just so we can celebrate outside with Dad.
That'd be great. It looks like a great week forecast.
Absolutely. So if you don't have plans to barbecue, go ahead and make them.
All right, it's a good idea. Well, today